Hey, what is up, guys? I am back. I know it's been a while since I've made a video. I just want to say thank you all so much for the amount of views and support that I've gotten on my last few videos. It's been totally awesome, and I wasn't really planning on making any more videos after the first month or two that I started making these, and then out of nowhere, last couple months, got some amazing feedback, some amazing views. So I really appreciate all the support. We broke 650 subs, so thank you guys so much for that. That's been totally cool. And yeah, it's inspired me to continue making videos. I've been a little bit away from trading on Robinhood, as far as my short-term trades have gone. Haven't really had that much time. I switched to night, so I wasn't able to be up in the mornings trading and doing a lot of research. I also started trading cryptocurrencies, which has been super nice because I can trade pretty much any time of the day. So that's been awesome, and I spent a good portion of my free time the last few months studying poker at an academic level, and that's been awesome. But I am back. I'm here to continue working on that insane goal I put out there of 2.5 to 5% weekly return on short-term trades. So I'm going to keep making these videos. I can't promise I'm going to make them weekly or anything, and I don't know if I'm going to promise that I'm going to share all of my weekly trading information, but certainly will share what I have time to put into a YouTube video with y'all. And if you guys are enjoying these, keep the comments coming, keep liking, and I will definitely put more effort in the more I see a response. So quick disclaimer before I get into this week trading. This is not professional financial advice, excuse me. Do your own research. Don't go broke because some guy on YouTube is telling you what is a good position. Also, every time I say day trade when I'm referring to this small $120 portfolio I have that I use for short-term tradings, I'm not exactly referring to day trading as day trading. I'm referring it to trading in a short-term manner just to make a gain and get out of a position, whether it be dividend capture strategies or short swing trades. A lot of people, I got a ton of comments on the last couple of videos about you can't day trade on Robinhood unless you have $25,000, which is true in one essence, but you do have 3 day trades in a rolling 5-day period, and you can also do other types of short-term trades. So that's what I'm referring to when I accidentally say day trade. Alright, so this week I had a total of 4 short-term trades. Started with NAC on Monday morning. Here's a trading view showing. Woke up right here on this huge increase in volume. I bought 55 shares at 205, just seeing the upward trend. I think there was also some news. I can't quite recall. I forgot to look that up. What news was going on, but I was reading some news and there was a lot of hype on the stock. So I bought in pretty much as early as I could, right around 9 o'clock at 205, and I held it for all of 2 minutes before it came right back down, and I exited that position at 205. So thanks to the commission-free Robinhood app, no gain and also no loss. The second trade I had, I did a dividend capture strategy on CSQ. This is a strategic income fund. It has a high dividend yield that pays monthly, and it is a pretty strong, reliable stock, so I feel good about capturing its dividends and being able to exit my position, usually at a profit if I wait 2 or 3 days after the dividend capture. I bought 10 shares at $12.32 on Monday. We had a nice little low dip here at 10:30, and then I exited the position a day later, about 10 o'clock on the 10th, for the same price, $12.32. So no return as far as a capital gain, but I am going to receive 82.5 cents for the dividend that I captured. And that dividend will be paid out on the 16th, so that will be added to my short-term trading funds. If you have not ever done a dividend capture on a stock, you can watch the first video I made, and I explain how to do it and why it's profitable on an app or a trading platform where you have to pay no commissions on your trades. The third trade I had this week was with Rexon Pharmaceuticals. That's RNN. I bought 41 shares at 10.13. My clock on Robinhood is off. I just realized that, so it's gonna be where 11.13 is. So I bought on this dip, this downtrend. I saw it bounce off of that 290, 289 support. That's a common support with this stock. You can't really see it on these line charts, but it bounced off that, and I held it for about 50 minutes and then ended up selling a little bit too early at 295 on this upswing for a profit of $1.23. And the last trade I had this week was a swings trade with Spxl. Actually, also I'm holding one more share of it. I bought 3 shares shortly after my final trade of the week. Besides this one, I bought 3 shares at 12.35 on Wednesday at 37.87, and I sold those up here at $40.05 for a total gain of 56 cents fund. So my week in review, I started this week with $111.98 in what I consider my trading funds, my short-term capital gain funds. And I made $2.60, getting that to $114.03, which is a weekly return of 2.34%, which is really close to my goal of 2.5% to 5%. Again, if you can compound those goals or those returns 2.5 to 5%, you can see massive returns over multiple weeks if you can put them together. So my total return on my trading funds is 14.03% on that $100 I started with, and my average weekly return is now 0.834%. So yeah, again, not hitting quite my goal. I've made about 38 trades since I stopped making videos, and I dug myself out of a pretty big hole. But I think I can get back on that horse and grind out some more 5 to 6% weeks if I really put the time in and study, and hopefully hit some of those goals I set. So anyway, that's my trading log this week. If you guys have anything you want to share or add, or if you're making a trading log video on YouTube, please send me a link or notification. I'd like to check that out and see what stocks you guys are trading, what's your strategy, how much what your goal is per trade or per week. And thanks a lot for the support, guys.